Hari Om. This is an excellent set for regulating period problems. This can be practiced every day as a prevention for many abdominal problems. If you are pregnant or having sciatic problems or slip disc, please do not try these asanas. Please focus on the abdominal region and breath during every stretch. Attention enlivens prana. Lack of prana is the cause of most of our problems. Prana moves with mind. If you focus your mind outside, it will work there. Whereas, if you focus your mind inward, the same prana will start working in you. Let's begin today's session. Hari Om. Before starting, let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath in, breathe out. Let us do a special set now. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Toes together, heels apart. Sitting on your bucket seat. Okay. Hands on the knees. Open up your palms. Take a full breath in, breathe out. Let us do child pose now, but with a special effect. Keep your both palms together. Heat up your palms. Keep your right palm on the abdomen, left palm over it, and breathe out, go down. Feel the pressure on the abdominal area. Keep breathing. Feel full breaths. Feel the expansion and contraction of the stomach. And breathe in slowly. Come up after 5 breaths. Lift your head up. Relax. Then both hands together. Hit up. Place it on the stomach and go down. After 5 breaths, slowly come up. Like this you have to do 5 times. And slip out of Vajrasana. And let us do Kapotasana now. Stretch your right leg back. Keep your both hands by the side of the left knee. Keep breathing. Stretch your body back. Keep breathing. After 5 breaths, slowly go down. Stretch your hands in front. Feel the touch of your stomach on the thigh. Stretch your hands, keep your both palms together. Cross it and stretch. Stretch. Slowly, after 5 breaths, hands by the sides and come up. Slowly change your side. Other knee in front, hip is on the floor. Knee straight. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Bend your body first. Breathe out and go down. Feel the touch of your stomach, chest on your right leg and stretch. Keep breathing. Stretch your hands as much as possible. Feel the stretch. After 5 deep breaths, hands by the sides and slowly come up. Stretch your body back and leg back. Relax on the floor. Toes together, heels apart. Keep your pillow. From there, just relax your leg muscles. Slowly kick your back, one after the other. Now with both legs together, with both legs. Relax. Toes together, heels apart. Let us do Shalabhasana. Keep your hands by the sides. Tug it under the body. Lift your both legs up. Feel the stretch on the back and abdominal area. Keep your whole attention on the abdominal area. Slowly go down after 5 breaths. Relax. Release your hands and keep your pillow back. Now let us do Dhanurasana. Legs together. Hold your ankles. Lift your body up. Keep breathing. Focus on your abdominal area and breathe. After 5 deep breaths, slowly come down. Keep your pillow back. Now let us do Ardha Bhujangasana. Hands under the shoulders, forehead on the floor. Slowly tighten the leg muscles, tighten the buttock. Now, with the help of your abdominal muscles, you are going up. Lift your head up. Don't put your weight on the hands. The whole weight is on the abdominal area. Breathe. Relax your face and lift your body up. Breathe out and slowly, inch by inch, feel it and come down. Once more, breathe in. Lift your body up with the help of your abdominal muscles. Tighten the leg muscles and buttocks. Keep breathing. After 5 breaths, slowly go down. This you have to do 5 times. Now we will do Purna Bhujangasana. Breathe in, come up, lift your head up, shoulders up. Shoulders are away from the ears. Feel the stretch on the back and abdominal area. Take 5 breaths. During the whole practice, keep more attention on the abdominal area, navel area, and breathe. Slowly breathe out and come down. Lie down in Makarasana and relax. Right knee, right side, and relax. After 5 breaths, change your side. Relax. Slowly roll onto your back. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Deep breath in, let go. Legs together, hands close to the body. Ardha Bhavana Muktasana. Lift your right leg up. Keep your right knee on your chest. Hold your right knee. Lift your head up. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch on your abdominal area. Relax your face. Relax your body. After 5 breaths, slowly release the leg and relax. Now the other knee. Lift your left leg. Keep your right knee on your chest and lift your head up. Keep breathing. Press your leg towards the body and feel the stretch on the abdominal area. Breathe, breathe, and after 5 breaths, release and relax. Legs apart, hands apart. Inhale and exhale, relax. Now legs together, hands close to the body. Lift your both legs up and knees down on your chest. Keep breathing. Purna Pavana Muktasana. Breathe and breathe out. Release, breathe in and breathe out. Legs apart, hands apart. In all the postures, you have to do 5 breaths. With every exhalation, learn how to relax. Now, keep your both heels close to your back. Hold your ankles and lift your body up, back up, chin down towards the chest. Bridge posture, Sedu Bandhan. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch on the hip and stomach. Feel the breath. Take a full breath. Breathe out. After 5 breaths, slowly go down and stretch your legs. Relax. Take a full breath in and breathe out. Again, keep your heels close to your back And hands by the sides for Nadarajasana. Stretch your hands. And legs little more apart. Now keep your right knee right side, face on left side. Again feel the twist on the abdominal area and breathe. We are giving more attention on the abdominal area during this set of asanas. Breathe. After 5 breaths, slowly lift your knees up and head on the other side and knees on opposite side. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch on the stomach, abdomen, and breathe. After 5 breaths, slowly lift your knees up and stretch your legs. Legs apart, hands apart, relax. Now legs together, hands together, and roll on to the other side, chest and stomach. Take a full breath in and breathe out. Now slowly sit up. Take a full breath in and breathe out. Slide down and let us do Ardha Matsyendrasana. Keep your one knee facing towards the sky and twist your body and the opposite hand crossing over the knee and holding the ankle. Twist your body and feel the stretch on the abdominal area. With thigh, give pressure on the abdomen. With every inhalation, feel the abdominal area is pressing towards the thigh. And with every exhalation, it's relaxing. Feel the stretch on the body. Spine is erect. And after 5 breaths, release and go for other side. Keep your feet on the opposite back and cross over the knee with the opposite hand. Hold your ankle and twist back. Breathe. Feel the pressure on the abdominal area and breathe. The whole set is for abdominal area now. So focus more on that area and breathe. After 5 deep breaths, release the posture and relax. Sit comfortably and easily. And from here, we are going to do body rotation. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep one leg over the other leg. Take a deep and full breath in, breathe out. Let us do body rotation. Breathe in and breathe out, go down. Breathe in, right and back. Breathe out, left and down. Then press your knees with your hands. So it will not come up. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Go to the sides and go down. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now opposite direction. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue. Move with your breath. Breathe in full and breathe out. Slowly lift your body up and relax. Relax your face. Now let us do few chantings for this set of asanas. Eyes closed and take a long deep breath in, breathe out. Relax the shoulders. Relax your facial muscles. Assume the posture and be composed. With every exhalation, feel the whole body is resting. And with every chanting, every cell in your body is rejoicing. Take a deep and full breath in, breathe out. Keep your attention on the seat of the body, around the tailbone area. Just keep the attention there. And take a long deep breath in, breathe out. One more full breath in, breathe out. Let us chant Lam on focusing on that area. Take a full breath. Lam. 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 Slowly shift your attention to the Swadhisthana area, around the genital area, back of the body. Focus there and let us take a deep breath. Vam. 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 Slowly shift your focus from Swadhisthana area to Manipuraka chakra, navel area. Keep your attention there and take a breath in. Ram. 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 Focus on the abdominal area and watch your breath. With every exhalation, feel you are relaxed more and more. With every breath, feel you are energized. With every exhalation, feel you are relaxed. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Dhanvandare Amrita Kalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanadhaya Om Mahavishnave Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.